I just got this cute ass boy number and
Wait, that boy over there?
yeah.
But why your friend all up in his face though?
Throw the whole bitch away. Fuck that raggedy asshole. Throw it away. Bye. I can't stand one of those in the way wanting your sloppy second ass friends. Like what I mean by that is say you and your friend go out and like you was talking to a guy and then you're really liking the guy and you feeling him and then all of a sudden you turn your back and you see your friend talking to that same guy you was just talking to. Like what the fuck are you doing? Or even same scenario-ish, like you're in the club with your friend. He's like, yo, me and that guy was texting for a little bit. He was cool or whatever, but you know, things didn't happen. Then you turn on your back and you see your friend then sitting with that guy. And then like, no, it's not like that. Then what is it like? Because I just told you, like, for me, it's just like, don't do that. That's fucked up. Or also, I can't stand those friends that be like, yo, I know someone, I want you to chill with them. You be like, nah, I'm good, I don't really want to. They're like, come on, please just do it. And then you finally agree, you get your life together, go out, and then all of a sudden, your friend is in that person's face. It's like, why did you ask me to come if you wanted that person in the first place and you got me being a third wheel? This is how I feel. Friends gonna keep doing that, and one day they're gonna do that when it comes to the person that you really like, and then you gotta bop your friend in the fucking head, and they're like, oh my gosh, I didn't know you liked them. Oh my gosh! Stop going after every person you see me talking to. That's trifling. Like, it's the principle at the end of the day. Like, as my friend, you shouldn't do that. Like, if I know one of my friends was speaking to someone for like 2 days, they're off limits. I'm not touching them because that's just the type of friend I am. In my opinion, you look tacky, you look trashy as hell when you go after someone your friend was talking to, especially if you call that person a friend. Like, sis, you're not my friend if you're doing that. We cannot be friends because my friends would never do that to me. So, when someone does that, you just gotta reevaluate the friendship and be like, are you really my friend? Are you jealous of me? Do you want to be me? Because that's a little creepy. But guys, if you like what you see and you like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Get it? Hey. Until next time. Thank you for watching, guys. Mwah!